Today I'm gonna show you a couple of things, a couple of tricks on how to fix Blackberry issues related to keyboard and related to the trackball. Okay, and I'm gonna perform this kind of operations on this the Legend, the Blackberry Bold, which everybody likes, but this works on any trackball. Blackberries. Okay, we'll get to work. Okay, we're back, and well, I was kind of testing to see what you see, guys. I have this Blackberry. Trackball doesn't work, of course. Well, it goes left and right, but doesn't go down. But that's not the case. If it's broken, it's broken. We have to change it. Okay, but the problem is that when I press the N button, look, it's MN, 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 and the other keys as well. They go wild. Okay, yeah, JK, JK instead of sand. This is a pretty common issue, and we know this issue for a long time. I saw there are people on YouTube trying to find a solution. Let's get to work and let's see if we find the solution this time. I'm not even sure. Okay, first to switch the device off. Obviously I can't, so I'll take the battery off to have a look at okay, what we need to do now is just open these clamps. 1 and 2. It's in there somewhere. Sorry, I'm a bit anxious. I'm a bit shaky. Have to stop alcohol. No, I'm not drinking. Look at that dirt. Look at that dirt. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Focus, focus. Okay. Well, actually nobody's filming for me, so I have to do it myself. And then you pop this out. Now look at that dirt. That dirt is causing all that trouble on the keyboard. Okay, we'll just throw that in the bin or somewhere and get cleaning, because we need to clean this. If you don't clean that, you will not have a good working trackball, or you'll always have problems with the keyboard. So we'll take the isopropyl. This is what I like to use. It's basically rubbing alcohol. You can get it in the pharmacy or drugstore, or you like to call it. Please try to dress properly, because if you go there not well dressed, or you know okay dressed, they will not give it to you. Trust me. Okay, so we'll take all this dirt out. There are 4 little sensors there. They are the main thing to clean. I'm not sure if you can see. Anyway, it's not a good camera. I promise I'm gonna get a new one if you subscribe and make comments and stuff. So please try to push me to get some more videos like that on YouTube. Okay, clean this out with a Q-tip. Okay, so let's see now. Now it's clean. I think it's clean enough. I'm just gonna go, because the click doesn't work. So you know, I'll change the trackball, but I'll try to change the click. The click is just here. Don't know if you see it, but if you lift this up, okay, there's a small oyster-like or something like that, and you can plainly see, I don't know if you see it, but there's a lot of oxidation in there. And a quick fix on this one, of course you can use other products, but you hold it down with the nail and then you just scratch it with some pointy thing. Okay, this is a very good solution. I mean, you don't have to use you know, products, whatever, or change that drum. You can find that drum on eBay, but you know, welding it in place is not going to be easy, and especially for people who don't have the right equipment. I have it, but it's somehow dangerous, because you can, you know, damage the device. Okay, it's best to just, you know, oxidation is preventing contact. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm mechanically removing the oxidation. It's basically scratching it and removing it, and I'm gonna use some products now, okay, to you know, kind of take that away, but this is as good as anything. So we'll take a Q-tip. This word I didn't know. Okay, we'll dip it into the isopropyl, and then we'll try to go over it. Just gonna hold it in place. Hello. But you know, if you scratch it, it's good enough. You know, scratch it, you know, try to remove it firmly. Don't press too much. This is a oyster, huh? Oyster like, so you don't press too much because you will destroy it, huh? It will snap and it will not work afterwards. So you have to be careful. Just okay. This side is important. The other side is not important. You just press on it. So that's not really very important. I'm just gonna do because I did see some. Okay, but it looks shiny now. So that's how it has to look. It's supposed to look. It's supposed to look shiny. Okay. Now coming back to the phone, we'll try to remove this yellow plastic thing. This is sticky, but not very sticky. So I'm gonna reuse it. So you know, because okay, I have that kind of product. It basically can find it anywhere on eBay. It's resistant to heat. Well, at least that's what I think. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. Firstly, I'm just gonna, because if you have a look here, there's a lot of oxidation here. Okay, scratching it is very good. You're just cleaning contacts mechanically. It's more effective than, you know, any oxidation cleaner or isopropyl thing. Okay, I'm just gonna do that for a while. Just gonna do that. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do the process again. Dip Q-tip into isopropyl and go over here. Okay, I'm just gonna really clean this up. Very important to clean this up. Okay, by the way, if this oyster here is broken, and it's still flat, so you don't feel the click click click, it just stays down. Okay, you can find it in older phones. Break an older phone and look for this. It's usually in the buttons like this, because it's smaller than a normal key. Okay, a button like this. If you see a button like this, open it up, you might find this kind of thing. For the Blackberry to boot up, it's always a nice moment to put some music on and not hear my comments. Okay, so there's the security, and there's a nice girl. Always very important, nice girl, you know, because when you get a crappy email, you look at that woman and then you feel better, or not, depending. Okay, so I placed the trackball and I'm gonna work with it. So it's still good. If I click, now the click works. So you saw, click is easy. Going back to the key problems, if we click, we open a memo, just to put a memo in, and then we'll try to type something. I'm not sure what I'm typing, but it should be, okay, let's see, tree, T-R-E-E. Okay, just go down a little bit, T-R-E-E. Okay, we can do the tests later. The problem was this and that. Okay, if I try to do this, it should go out. Okay, that is good. That's a good test for me. The other one doesn't do anything. Okay, it goes to the phone, so it's okay. I have that, I have that, I have that, I have that. So you see the problem. A lot of people are just reinstalling software. Don't do it. Everything happens here. You clean this part, you will not have keyboard problems. You will not have other problems.